Hello friends, myself Professor Rajendra Baburao Garse, working as the head of Electrical Engineering Department at NB Navle, Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur. I am having a teaching experience of 9 years. I have completed BE Electrical from Government College of Engineering, Karad and MTech from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. I have qualified GATE examination 6 times, and in the achievements I have secured the All India 7th rank in the GATE examination. In my last video we have discussed about the conversion of parameters. Today we are going to discuss about how to solve the numericals based on conversion of parameters, right? So let us consider an example. Suppose we are having an example for a two-port network. The Z parameter matrix is, right? So this is a given matrix. Find the Y parameters of the two-port network and the ABCD parameters of the two-port network, right? Means for some two-port network they have given the Z parameter, that is the Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22, right? And our task is to find the Y parameters of the same two-port network and the ABCD parameters of the same two-port network, right? Now, so for that case, we need to go for Z to Y parameter conversion and Z to ABCD parameter conversion, right? We have already derived the expressions for Z to Y parameter and Z to ABCD parameter. But is it possible to memorize those expressions? No. Right, so here we are going to discuss how to simplify these type of questions. Right, now they have given the Z parameters, means Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22, right? So from this matrix can we write the characteristic equations of the given two-port network? Yes, Z parameter gives the expression for V1 V2 in terms of I1 I2, right? So Z parameter matrix is given, so then Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 we are having. Okay, so we can write from this V1 V2 in terms of I1 I2, right? What is V1? Z11 into I1 plus Z12 into I2, and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 into I2, right? Consider it as equation 1 and equation 2, right? So let us first discuss for the Y parameter, right? So from these two equations, how to find the Y parameter? Okay, so we need to rearrange these two equations. In such a way that we will be getting I1 and I2 in terms of V1 and V2. Okay, so for that, first of all, we are going to equate the coefficient of I2, right? Here coefficient of I2 is 2, here it is 4. So we are going to multiply equation 1 with 4 and equation 2 with 2, right? So here for finding the Y parameter, multiply equation 1 with 4 and equation 2 with 2. Here with 4 means the constant 4 and with 2 is constant 2, right? So here we, after multiplying the equation 1 with 4, we can write 4v1 is equal to 4i1 plus 8i2, and multiplying equation 2 with constant 2, we can write 2v2 is equal to 6i1 plus 8i2, right? Now the coefficient of I2 is 8 and 8. So can we subtract the equation 3 and 4? Yes, so we can write 4v1 minus 2i2 is equal to same this term minus this term, so like this. So plus 8i2 minus 8i2, it will get cancelled, right? So 4 minus 6, it is a minus 2, right? So 4v1 minus 2v2. Okay, so from this we can write I1 is equal to, yes, minus 4 by 2 v1 plus 2 by 2 v2. So from this I1 is equal to minus 2 v1 plus 1 into v2. Are you getting the point? So this is the expression for I1 in terms of v1 v2. So can we write I1 is equal to y11 v1. So what is y11? Y11 is minus 2 mho, right? And what is y12? Y12 is 1 mho, right? So next, can we find the y21 and y22? So for that we need to put equation 5 in equation 1, right? Means in equation 1 we are having v1 is equal to y11, that is 1 into I1. So we need to replace the I1 with this equation, right? Plus y12, that is a 2, sorry, z12 into I2, right? So next, so after that we can rearrange the terms and we can write the expression for I2 in terms of v1 and v2. Okay, so I2 is equal to y21 is 3 by 2 and y22 is minus 1 by 2, right? So means without memorizing the expressions of y11, y12, y21 and y22 in terms of z parameters, right, we can simplify it. Simply go on simplifying, solving the equations, right? So in this way we can find the y parameters, right? So next, similarly next is abcd parameters, right? So how to find the abcd parameters? So we are having the equation 1 and equation 2, right? Equation 1 and equation 2 we have written from the given data, that is the z parameter, right? So v1 is equal to 1i1 plus 2i2 and v2 is equal to 3i1 plus 4i2, right? We need to find the abcd parameters, right? Abcd parameters gives the expression for v1 i1 in terms of v2 and minus i2, right? So we want the expression for v1 as well as i1 in terms of v2 and minus i2. So from equation 2 can we write the equation for i1 in terms of v2 and i2? So from equation 2 we can write, yes, 3i1 is equal to v2 minus 4i2, right? So from this i1 is equal to 1 by 3 v2 minus 4 by 3 i2. Okay, this is the equation 7, right? Next can we put, so here i1 is equal to c v2 minus di2. So parameter c we are having here 1 by 3 and parameter d is 4 by 3, right? Next put equation 7 in equation 1. So v1 is equal to 1 into, it was i1 here, right? So replace i1 with this equation. Okay, so here plus 2 into i2 as it is. So from this v1 is equal to, yes, after simplifying it we can write 1 by 3 v2 plus 2 by 3 i2. So from this can we write v1 is equal to a v2, a is 1 by 3 minus bi2. So what is b? B is minus 2 by 3. Are you getting the point? So b is minus 2 by 3. So answer 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3 and 4 by, right? So in this way we can simplify and find the solve the numericals based on the parameter conversion. One important thing is we need not to memorize the expressions of parameter conversions, right? It is highly impossible to memorize the all the 48 conversions or all the 48 expressions, right? Are you getting the point? Okay, so we can simplify it in this way, okay. Thank you, thanks for watching.